Comanche, Foxtrot, Uniform Yankee Delta, Penticton Radio.
Penticton Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta at the hangar line, northbound departure, VFR to Kelowna on a company note, looking for advisory.
Runway 16, wind 150 at 13, gusting 20, altimeter 3014. Traffic in RV8. Backtracking, be doing a run-up and then a local flight southbound. Squawk 6744.
Okay, check 16, we'll plan departure off 166, 744 and 3014, and we'll taxi behind the RV8. Backtracking, we'll do a run-up on Delta.
Roger, runway 16.
Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta is backtracking 16 behind the RV.
Uniform Yankee Delta, roger. Roger, altimeter is 3014.
Right.
Traffic. Twin Piper will be departing off runway 16 northbound shortly. Second aircraft circling around Heritage Hills at this time. Are you going to remain at that altitude? You said 45?
We'll remain at 5,500. And if it works, we'll continue down the west side of the valley, to the west of the runway, and stick to the west side of Skaha Lake to keep some distance from the other traffic.
Roger, 5500, report to be in the airport, please.
Report to be in the airport, Sierra Juliet Alpha.
Penticton Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta is lining up and departing 16. Check the Comanche traffic, we'll stick to the east side of the valley northbound to Kelowna.
Roger, in the RV8 that departed a few minutes ago is circling 3,500 feet over Heritage Hills.
Okay, check, I have the RV8 in sight.
Roger, report when clear to the north, please.
Uniform Yankee Delta. Okay, ready. Pressure green, rolling. Radio, Uniform Yankee Delta, rolling 16.
Roger.
Speed to live, 60 knots. $90 knots, rotate. Blue line, positive rate, brakes on. Gear up. $2,000. Climbing left turn. Clear left.
Kelowna Airport, Information India, weather at 2100 Zulu, automated observation, wind 170 at 5, wind variable 160 degrees to 240 degrees, visibility 9er, sky clear below 10,000, temperature 11, dew point -2, altimeter 3016, IFR approach, ILS or RNAV, runway 16. Inform Vancouver center of requested approach on initial contact. Active runway 16. Inform ATC that you have Information India.
Airstream 503, exit Charlie, contact ground 1270. Charlie in the ground there, sprint 503.
Jazz 4 and 4, traffic, 10 o'clock, 5 miles, working east side of the valley. Helicopter, 3,000 feet, no conflict. I'll have your landing clearance in a couple miles. We got a vehicle just doing a quick runway pass.
Understood. We have the helicopter on the TCAS, just 4 and 4.
South Zulu, Quebec, traffic, 9 o'clock, 5 miles, inbound for runway 16-8, 4,300 feet, reports from insight.
Looking for that traffic, Delta Zulu, Quebec.
Kelowna Tower, Piper Twin Comanche, Foxtrot, Uniform, Yankee Delta.
Officer, Uniform Yankee Delta, Kelowna Tower.
Kelowna Tower, Uniform Yankee Delta, 6,500 feet, just north of Chute Lake, inbound for landing with India.
Uniform Yankee Delta, runway 16 and 1606, altimeter 3013, squawking there.
Roger, squawk, I did 3013, Uniform Yankee Delta.
Uniform Yankee Delta identified, report at the bridge.
Report at the bridge, Uniform Yankee Delta.
From Alpha Clear for takeoff, runway 16.
Okay, left turn, our discretion, and Vancouver through 4,000. Clear takeoff, runway 16.
Carriage down green mixtures.
Cami 1, medevac tower, squawk ident, altimeter 3012.
Rich, props as required.
3012, Cami 1, medevac. Thanks, Cami 1, medevac. You are radar identified. Report coming over the east ridge.
I'll set approach flaps.
Report the east ridge.
Airspeed's check,
Cami 1, medevac.
25. Flap set.
Delta Zulu, Quebec, clear to land, runway 16.
Clear to land, runway 16, Delta Zulu, Quebec.
Uniform Yankee Delta, clear to land, runway 16.
Clear to land, 16, Uniform Yankee Delta. Take it out to the north end here. Okay, let's start our base turn.
Uniform Yankee Delta, exit at Bravo, contact ground 1217.
Off of Bravo, ground 2117, Uniform Yankee Delta. Kelowna ground, Uniform Yankee Delta, clear the runway at Bravo, requesting taxi up to apron 3.
Foxtrot Uniform Yankee Delta, Kelowna ground, good day, taxi via Delta, apron 3.
Taxi via Delta, apron 3, Uniform Yankee Delta. After landing check, pitot heat off, cabin heater.